Hello and good morning students. Welcome to GRS Technical. Today in this video we are going to start a new chapter of class 12th English, which is a roadside stand. This chapter is very much important for your pre-boards examination as well in your boards examination. So students, please watch this video till last, and if you do like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it to your friends. So students, in this video, we are going to start with an introduction of this chapter, and afterwards I am going to make you understand the whole summary of this chapter. So we start with here. This is because I want you to make familiar with this chapter, and afterwards I will explain you this chapter in detail manner. So I'm going to start this chapter. A roadside stand summary deals with the lives of a poor, deprived people. Furthermore, the poet contrasts the struggling life of the countryside people with the insensitive life of the city dwellers. The city dwellers does not bother to ponder on the harsh condition of the roadside stand people. The city dwellers doesn't think about the struggles these roadside people have to go through in order to sell their goodies means goods. These poor people having nothing to do except wait for their passing cars to stop and purchase. If at all a car stops by, it is to know about direction or to make complaint about something. The poet deeply sympathizes with these impoverished people and feels compassion for them. This sympathy is evident in the portrayal of the roadside shells in a poignant manner. Okay, so students, that was the summary, means the introduction of the chapter, and now I'm going to start the summary of this chapter of the poem A Roadside Stand. So I start with here. There has been an extension of the shed in front by the occupants of the little old house. Furthermore, this extension is around the edge of the road where the passage of traffic takes place. It seems like the shack owners want to implore the passers by to purchase something from the shack. These deprived people have a huge desire for the currency. Unfortunately, the traffic goes past ignoring the shack. If by chance the traffic does stop, it would come with a feeling of disappointment. They are very disturbed to see the poor unattractive signboards. There is an offer of wild berry shack for the sale in a wooden quart, means a quarter of a gallon. This place offers a peaceful nature stay for those who can afford it. The poet becomes angry at this attitude of police traffic and asks them to move ahead. The poet shows more concern for the sadness of the shed owners that he does for the landscape blemish. He believes that these people have a longing to handle some city money. This money can reduce their suffering, as one can see in movies. The political party that enjoys power is the one that deprives them of a happy life. The poet makes mention of the news which points out the relocation of the poor villagers to vicinity of shops and theatres. There were big promises to ensure good care for them. However, the government authorities became negligent of these promises. Furthermore, the poet is angry at this behavior and calls them greedy good doers. He calls them beasts of prey who induce in the exploitation of the poor villagers. The villagers pay a heavy price as they had to lose their land. The civic authorities are successful in fooling these villagers. They promise them a better life and a good sleep. However, the civic authorities are the ones who sleep peacefully while making the lives of villagers miserable. More during the day and sleep at night was the norm in the ancient time. However, there has been a reversal of this norm as the villagers are not able to sleep at night. The poet expresses his distress while explaining the endless wait of shed owners for buyers. There is an ambience of sadness all over the place. Sometimes a cart stops, but that it is to be inquired about the farmer's price. Furthermore, others who stop just want to make use of the backyard. One of the cars stopped for a gallon of gas. Moreover, this demonstrates the sense of alienation between urban and rural life. The poet regrets that money is not abundant in the countryside. Furthermore, money can raise spirits while a lack of it dampens it. The villagers have a tendency to express their grievance about a life which has a lack of money. Moreover, the poet becomes very emotional and contemplates their pain. He certainly wants to change their life in one go, but understand that this will be a fertile act. So students, those were the stories which I have taught you in this video. Now we are going to study what we have learned from the poem, a roadside stand. What is the conclusion of a roadside stand, which is very much important, which is very much important for your board examination. It is always of 5 marks or 2 marks may be asked to you all. So if the question arises, what you have got the learned about by reading a roadside stand, so what you will write, or it may be asked to you what is the conclusion of a roadside stand. So please note down it. Please pause this video and note down. A roadside stand summaries shows us the great contrast between the comfortable life of city dwellers and the harshness faced by the impoverished rural people. ठीक है. Now in this video what we have learned कि रोड साइड जो विलेजर्स जो होते हैं, जो रोड पे रहते हैं, किस तरीके से सफ़र करते हैं, एंड हाउ luxury life rich people do live. So students, this was the video. Hope you all liked it. If you do like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it to your friends. And one thing more I want to tell you this: if you want any help in writing section, I can help you. Many of the videos in our channel already uploaded with Hindi subtitles. So if you want to watch those videos, that what is the current new pattern of CBSE of letter writing, letter to the editor, notice writing, report writing, bio data and many more, so you can watch to our channel. And if you want me to provide you that those links, so I will provide those links in my description box, from where you can check those videos out. So thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.